Let's learn how you can install the latest KSign on iOS devices to install the IPA files on iPhone, iPad without any jailbreak or PC. Firstly, launch your Safari and you're gonna reach to this website here, coinbn.io.bn. Inside this website, you're gonna find this section. We're gonna come here, download DNS profile. Tap on download DNS profile firstly. This will load you up ads, so we're gonna close the tab and come back to this and download DNS profile once again. We can close the ad, come back, download, and tap on allow to download the DNS profile. Profile has been downloaded. We're gonna go to settings. Inside the settings, tap on profile downloaded and install this DNS. It's totally signed and verified. Install. Once it has been installed, tap on DNS and make sure that this option anti-revoke is selected. Go back. Now go back to Safari. You're gonna come down here. Currently eSign is selected. Switch to KSign. Again, it will load your ads. Come back. Now try to install any KSign files. If one doesn't work, you're gonna have to try the next one. Let's try this one here. Close the ad. Come back. Again, install. You go back to home screen. You'll see that the KSign is installing. You see it fails to install, so we're gonna delete this app. Delete and go back to Safari and again try next one here. It has successfully installed. Let's bring this to home screen. And it's here. We try to launch, it doesn't open. We're gonna have to trust the enterprise developer inside the settings. Go to settings. When you come to settings inside the VPN, DNS and device management, you'll see the enterprise app section at the bottom. Tap on the app. It's not trusted yet, so tap on trust and trust. Once it's done, go back. Now you're gonna try to launch KSign. It successfully launches. Now tap on plus at the top to import the IPA files. Tap on import files. Let's try any one. Suppose this one, dopamine, open. Tap on the IPA file. Select import to library. Once it's imported, you're going to go to library tab at the bottom and this is the app. Tap here and just tap on sign and install. Start signing and thus you can now install it. Install. If you go back to home screen, you'll see that this app dopamine is installing. Now you can bring this to home screen and it can be launched here. So that's how you can install the KSign to install the IPA files. Now what if this KSign doesn't launch? If the KSign doesn't launch, then you're gonna delete this KSign, remove app. Once it's deleted, you're gonna go back to Safari on the same website and we don't need to repeat the DNS profile step. You can directly go and browse the KSign files and install it and again trust the enterprise developer in the settings and use it. So that's the complete guide how you can use the KSign to install the IPA files. Just like this video and subscribe to this channel.